You're going to be friends. Why don't you sit in a chair, pussy? That's what I can never understand. You love to sit in the chairs, and yet you never sit in this chair. And this creature comes along and sits. You seem to be getting on okay. You're just minding your own business. Kitty hissed initially, but there's no response, so peaceful-ish. Yes. They're very close together for enemies. So I don't think there's much enmity. And I've got to think of the pronunciation. There's not much enmity here, really. As long as the other one stays quiet. Let's see. Don't hiss at mummy. I went to pat it, but it got scared. It got scared. I'm just gonna go away. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Is you my baby? Oh, poor pussy. Oh, yes, my little vicious monkey. Oh, my pussy's annoyed. Yes, my pussy's annoyed. It's your mummy's baby. Little fire. It's mummy poo-poo. My pussy is very easy to hiss. Aren't you, pussy? Look at this. Look at this. This is my daughter. She's very cheeky. Aren't you, pussy? I love you too. I love you too. Yes. I love you too.